So now that you've got your brand new HTC U12 Plus, you're ready to set it up. So let's go through the steps here. You're going to grab some Wi-Fi. I'll grab mine. We'll go through all these steps, agree to the terms, and we'll be all set up in just a short, and I'll get you into the home page, and we'll see how you like it. First impressions though, this phone is super slim and it doesn't feel like a 6-inch phone, I gotta tell you, and I'll compare the size to some other phones, so just keep on the lookout for that. So now when you press the volume up and down and the power button, there's a different sensation. It kind of vibrates a little bit. It feels really, really nice. Yeah, there's a different sensation there. There's some vibration in the volume button and power button. I think that's a very nice touch. Setting up Edge Sense 2. We'll give it a squeeze. Squeeze with my right hand. There you go. And you can turn on squeeze for the different functionalities. You can double tap, double squeeze. Pretty nice. It does have face unlock, so we'll get that set up right now. So when you get to the final stages, you'll be all set up, and this is how your phone is going to look once you get it going. So as soon as you pop it open, it gives you these options here to apply these different things to the nav bar. I'm just going to keep it super basic and just use that one right there. And here it is. You can swipe up and you can see there's hardly any bloatware on here. There's actually no apps installed. I didn't do a restore because I wanted you guys to see the actual device as it will come out of the box. So let's go down to storage, as you can see there. Again, this is a 64 gig version, so with no apps you can see how much you have left and what's available. So system, let's go to about, and you can see here there's 6 gigs of RAM, which is a huge plus. Software, Android 8.0. So I don't anticipate this phone not performing well. I mean, it is super slim, and it is just, so I touched the fingerprint reader, and so it asked me if I want to set it up. So let's go ahead and add one. All right. Add a fingerprint. Got it. Start. Let's see how it does. That was about 5 to 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 of them. So I got fingerprint and I have facial recognition set up, which I think is really nice. So again, the size of this phone right here is super small. You do have these dual camera setups on the front, and that's going to be interesting to play around with. But here is it next to the Asus Zenfone, and here it is next to Xiaomi. It's another 6-inch phone. Get it popped back on for you. Super narrow phone, and here it is next to the Galaxy Note 8. Get the Galaxy Note 8 in here. You can see how big it is next to that. So this is like almost the right size, you know. First impressions, man, this thing feels good in the hand. I can't wait to test out these cameras. Because I think that's going to be good. It's got 4 cameras. 4 cameras. That's crazy. It's super narrow. It's definitely not a wide phone by any means. So it's going to be really easy in the hand. See, I guess when you can look at it next to this, I really like the vibration and sensation that it gives when you actually touch the power button and volume rocker. I think that's really, really good. So it's even a little bit more narrow than the Note 8, but it's definitely shorter. So, man, let's check it out next to how wide it is next to the Asus. So it's a little bit more narrow than the Asus Zenfone. That's pretty good. This is a good size for a 6-inch phone. The fact that it has a top and a bottom up there, I definitely can appreciate that because they've got something there. The bottom probably holds the sensors and things like that, and the top has the earpiece and the microphone and the 2 cameras. So there you have it, man. First impressions and setup. This is very, very nice. This translucent blue is really sweet. I'll get my SIM card in here and I will start using this bad boy, and I'll see you in about a few days for 72 hours more than likely. And then after that, a week follow-up, and then I'll go from there. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.